Hi guys, welcome back to Tactic Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about best project management software for free. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now the project management software that we will be discussing in today's video is called Monday.com. Now Monday.com has a free version or has a wide and big range of free use. So this could technically be considered as a project management software that is free. And the great thing about this is that you can actually export and import tasks. So whenever your trial is about to end, you can simply create a new account and import the task that you have created and then continue where you left off. When you check here in the plans, as you can see, it's going to cost you like $8 for the basic one and like $10 and then $16 for the standard and pro. But as you can see here on the bottom left, as you can see, we will be able to have a free version on the first 30 day, and this is also like a money back guarantee, but that is also like a 30-day. But for me, as you can see, I only have 5 days left on my free plan or free trial. So I'm going to have to renew my Monday.com soon. But let me explain to you how you will be able to maintain that free trial version. So assuming you have your task or your project, and assuming you have already created like your different information, all of those stuff, and what you're going to want to do is you're actually going to try and export, as you can see here, export board to Excel. As you can see, after you export it and your trial expires, you can simply create a new account in Monday.com, and then after creating a new account, you can do an import task over here, which would allow you to import the previous or existing data that you have before into the new account with a 30 newly related or newly created free trial account. So that is how you can make this project management software for free. Now let's explore how this project management software works. It's a very simple and straightforward project management software. Let's check here. I have a real estate deals over here that I have created, a very simple one. So Monday.com or the work management of Monday.com has two main tasks. You have a group task and an individual task over here. Now this is really great for project management because the group task can be labeled as the entire project, and then the individual tasks are like the steps that you need to do to fulfill or to accomplish that entire process or the entire project. So for example, over here on our screen, you can see that I have mobile application. Now let's say this is my project and this is what I am going to work on. And then over here, as you can see, I've created some tasks. I have designed a workflow, designed a basic UI interface, specify and identify features of the app, and research how to apply said features. So those are like my subtask or the mini individual task. So that is a really cool thing to do as well. That's it's a really great platform to have some project management. And then since it's a project management, you're going to have to expect that you will have members or group members that will work with you or under you. So you can easily invite people by inviting their emails over here and sending them emails as an invitation to work on the project that you have over here. Or you could work on it on your own. That depends on your preferences. You can also expand, as you can see, on a specific task and add a sub item under it. So like you could add additional mini tasks under it. Let's say in the designer workflow, let's say choose a platform to work on. Like that. Then you could add another one as a sub list. You could choose like what are the focuses, something like that. But that depends on you. You could easily add some sub tasks just like that. And if you're finished with one task, you can easily click on the box and you will be able to have that as a check mark, meaning it's done. As you can see here, or that's basically selecting it. But never mind. This box over here will allow you to select it and do some things with it, like duplicate, export, archive, delete, or move to. When you want to mark something as done, you can simply click under the progress or status as done over here, just like that, meaning you have accomplished the said task, just like that. And then you will see like a progress bar over here on your progress of how you've done so far. You can also select like a deadline over here for the specific item or specific date. You could check out the priority. You could add a column over here where you could add some text, maybe for additional details, emails, numbers, formula, status files, and other useful features as well. Now, this is a really great platform. You could use it for basically any type of project, whether it's a personal project, some real estate, cars, any type of project, because everything is fully customizable from this entire group to the individual task. You can customize the name. So basically, you could use it for anything that you want. And you can also view it in multiple ways. There's a lot of different views over here. You have table, which is what we are seeing right now. You have Gantt. If you prefer seeing your task in a Gantt chart, as you can see here. We also have other views over here, like a chart. Click on chart. There we go. You could see how much is done, and like you could modify this chart as well. You could add or duplicate this or dock the widget, something like that. You could also check up the calendar over here. As you can see, you will be able to view the calendar and add some work. For example, you want to do something on Friday on the 8th, then you can simply click on add that, and then you could add a new item, choose the group, choose who you will assign it to, choose the progress, choose the priority. For example, let's say this is critical priority. The group will be under mobile application, and the name will be, let's say, develop or create a mobile logo. Something like that. And you can simply set the date, the progress, as you can see here. If it's already been working on, then you simply click on create task, and it will appear over here. And if you check in the table, it will also appear over here. As you can see, create a mobile task. You can also rearrange them like drag and drop very easily, just like that. You could move it around. You could even move it to the next group if you want, or you could even put it on the first. You can also view it with the Kanban view. This is what it would look like on the Kanban. Kanban is a really great view as well. You could drag and drop them. For example, the logo had some issues. You can simply drag it on the having issues or stuck, something like that. Or from the done, you could move it back to working on it, something like that, as you can see. Then you can see like a progress bar over here on the top right. And there's other views as well. You have from galleries, forms, blank views, and you can even use some other apps to improve your work management experience. You could add different things. You can also integrate it with different platforms. You can see here in the automation centers, there's a lot of integration from Asana to Otix, Basecamp, Box, Clearbit, Copper, Dropbox, Eventbrite, Facebook, GitLab, and many more. And the way you customize it, it's completely up to you. Most of the features are usable. You will be able to use most of the features as a free trial user. And after using this, of course, after playing around with it, after finishing what you need to do, what you can now do is you can click on settings, or rather, let's go back to our main table over here. Click on the three dots. Where did we find the export again earlier? This one, and then click on export to Excel. There we go. Then you could simply include sub items or sub updates and all of those stuff that you want to have. You can also add a completely new item to your workspace, either a new board, a new document, a new dashboard, or you can choose from templates as well. Choosing from the templates will allow you to save a lot of time. For example, you want to save some contacts. As you can see, you could utilize this as well. Customer projects, supporting sales materials, our real estate CRM, and many more. Let's actually check out project portfolio management over here. Let's use the template, and let's see what other people have done that is specifically for project management. Let's view that as well. Let's give it a few seconds, and there we go. Let's see what it gave. As you can see, we have new request, under construction, approved, and rejection over here, or consideration rather. As you can see, it's really good. It looks good, and there's a lot of information over here that you could use and have. So you guys could build your own workflow over here, your own board, or you could also use the template. It's completely up to you. But that's basically it, guys. That is how you will be able to use, or that's one of the best free project management software. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.